The ultimate wireless system that evolves with you. The fourth generation of Sennheiser's most popular series worldwide leaves nothing to be desired in terms of flexibility, ease of use, and reliability. Whether you are on tour, at an outdoor shoot, in the conference room, or in the auditorium, Evolution Wireless G4 can do it all.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Evolution Wireless G4. It is the long-awaited successor of the Evolution Wireless G3. And it is not an entirely new product, but as the G3 and the G4 are always evolving with you, the G4 does offer powerful new features, improving your workflow and ultimately improving your sound.
For instance, compared to Evolution Wireless G3, Evolution Wireless G4 features more bandwidth. The 300 and 500 series crank it up to 88 MHz, where G3 reaches 42 MHz.
Due to heavy RF traffic in most major cities, and simply because telephone service providers keep on purchasing frequency blocks for telecommunication, there's not a lot of room left for RF audio transmission. So, if your wireless device comes with a broader bandwidth to work on, chances are bigger it will find an open frequency to operate in.
Secondly, Evolution Wireless G4 comes with more transmission power.
Where the Evolution Wireless G3 came with 30 milliwatts, the G4 comes with 50. So that's a significant increase when it comes to output.
Compared to other wireless manufacturers, Evolution Wireless G4 is a couple of legs ahead, simply because its transmission is so powerful, it overrules other signals that may cause interference.
Yeah, and compared to the G3, the G4 comes with new features that make it very easy to link several channels and to sync receivers with transmitters.
The 100 series, for instance, has a new automatic linking function on board. That is a totally new feature which will save you a lot of time stacking and setting up 12 channels working alongside of each other. The 300 and 500 series come with improved backlit infrared technology, which helps you to sync your gear in dark environments.
And similar to the syncing and the linking, all the other functions on the Evolution Wireless G4 are very easy to use and very easy to set up.
To make life easy, the Evolution Wireless G4 100 series comes with an LCD display. The 300 and 500 series come with OLED displays. This helps in low light situations as it is easier on your eyes.
Yeah, and the Evolution Wireless G4 not only scans free channels, it also automatically allocates them, but it is up to you to choose whichever channel you select.
Evolution Wireless G4 partly lives on the road. That's why it comes in a robust half-rack stereo all-metal housing.
Hello. Robust, full metal housing. Shall we test that? This is a G4 100 series receiver, and this is a G4 100 series handheld transmitter. Testing. Right? Are you ready? Here we go. Hello? Hello. We're still good. Right. Now to build these receivers into your flight case, you'd need adapters. They come with the box.
And all half-racked receivers of the G4 series come with true diversity. That means that both antennas work separately. So in case one drops out, for whatever the reason may be, the other one can take over without breaking up the signal, or without anyone noticing it. The 300 and the 500 series come with 11 frequency variants. They go up to 50 milliwatts, adjustable in 3 steps, 10, 30 and 50 milliwatts, depending on country regulations.
The Evolution Wireless G4 is a reliable and flexible companion. Whether you are on stage playing music, whether you're lecturing, whether you're reaching out to your clients or business people, or whatever the application is you may think of. When it comes to audio, the Evolution Wireless G4 comes with Sennheiser's world-renowned Evolution capsules on any of the handheld variants.
To serve you during your audio adventures, there is the Evolution Wireless G4 100 series for live sound, with, for instance, the linking and syncing feature of up to 12 channels. There's also the Evolution Wireless G4 500 series for live sound, and this set features 88 MHz bandwidth. There is the Evolution Wireless G4 IEM series for in-ear monitoring, and that comes with high output power and transmission range. We also have the Evolution Wireless G4 100P and 500P series for broadcast and film. The 100P set is extremely easy to use and saves setup time. The 500P set for broadcast and film goes up to 88 MHz bandwidth. And finally, the Evolution Wireless G4 300 series for business and education. It comes with reliable transmission, regardless if the system is installed in a permanent location or as a mobile setup.
In our next episodes, we'll show you how the Evolution Wireless G4 will back you up in some of the most extreme situations. We have an episode on live sound for stage use, one on broadcast and film, and another one on business and education. And let's not forget the latest addition to the Evolution Wireless G4 lineup, the IEM, in-ear monitoring series. We will show you how to set up and to configure your wireless companion, which is, as always, evolving with you.